All right, dude, we out here again at House and Lake with these 75-mile-an-hour winds, and he got the munchies. But anyway,
yeah,
let's get it. House and Lake. The wind. Let's have the wind work with us today.
Wind is your friend.
The wind is our friend. Let's get. Didn't have the tension. It swam to me. It was just a dink.
Yeah.
Just missed the dink, y'all. But yeah, I took it. It was a dinkster, but it took it. Damn GoPro. I was trying to hit the record button, that's why I missed it. Ooh. No. Dang. As soon as I seen that damn line let over, I was like, damn. Came back around and went again and got in the boat this time. Go ahead and can you get some air, some water in there? You're gonna have to do something. Here, I get it. Just have it trolling. Leave it out there. It's fucking warm. Alright, guy, you're gonna go in the. Huh. Here, just hand me the cooler.
You give me that.
Here, yeah, you get a fish.
I got the fish.
Alright.
I got the fish, you guys.
Stay in one spot so I don't fall.
That's our air rating. He's going down, you guys.
God damn. Oh, dang. It's like you got a float on this cooler. Oh, okay. I don't know why we just don't put it in the live well.
I don't know, well, I hope we don't have a live well or something.
Whatever. Yeah, let's start using that. Alright. First one. Alright, guys. Let's get it. Slow down a little bit. Start off a little strong on that point. But definitely slow down a little bit. Damon injuries messing with him. He's we're sticking with trolling a little bit. Crappie jigging. I'm still going for another bass to match that one in the boat. What a fire breathing dragon looks good on you. Yeah. But yeah, look at the beautiful sunset over here. That's right. I'm talking you jig up under that. Look at that. Something right there. They're starting to do this. They're starting to piss us off again, just jumping around us but not biting. This is all. How deep are we? Good. Good. Go over here with these pads. Made something shake over here on the edge of these pads. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, y'all? Quick as a hurricane. Slow move, return. Wind's pushing a little bit. Popping through these pads a little bit. I still haven't seen any beds. You seen any beds? Have you seen any beds yet this year? Me either. Still using that same color that we caught that first one on. We missed that first. We missed the first one and caught the second one on. So after these pads here, I know y'all can hear me through this wind, but y'all see the wind. Crazy, man. Wind's a little bit too rough for me to pitch knobs. Let's see if I can get behind this stuff.
Oh, there we go. Broke my line on that.
Some hit? Is it on it? Did it break or? I was like, damn. I was like, get it. I'm recording right now. Goes. All right, y'all. Yeah. Damn right.
Yeah.
On camera.
Yeah.
First little crappie trolling in House and Lake. First crappie ever, I think, for Damon in House and Lake.
First one for me.
Sweet.
Let me go ahead and put this in before I lose it.
Yeah.
This is definitely going in the cooler, you guys.
Yeah, throw it in there. And it was a black crappie?
Yeah, nice little bad. Let me know they're spawning. He's putting his suit on.
Yeah. Yeah, I heard the females are white and
Yeah. Beat up too. You see how beat up he is?
yeah. Beaten.
He's fanning some beds, so let's see how they spawn here.
Day 2 or number 2.
Sir. I contributed to the fucking pond.
Damn.
Fuck yeah.
Damn right. Let's go.
Trolling.
Trolling.
Fucking thunder cricket.
Thunder cricket.
On the motherfucking thunder.
Did you grab that one? Oh, that thing. Damn, chartreuse and black. Real. I mean, we're trolling now. I want to run and hit these pads real quick since we're over. Okay, one crappie and one bass. Let's get it. Yeah, boy. Chill out, man. Yeah, boy. Look at that brother. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Put some more water in there.
Come on, bro.
Oh, he's taking it. Here it comes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Skill. That's
Y'all see this? This is why we fit in the wind. This is why we got a little wind.
Oh, really good friend. That's how I tell y'all.
It was trying to get by. Now we breathing. Now we breathing back. Woo, that's a big girl. That's a big girl. I'm saying a little 3.3. 3.3 just for Larry Bird.
Somebody caught her already. Where's that you got?
Oh, be careful with poles now. Come on, man. You got it?
I'm gonna see 3.
You zero that?
3.5. Yeah, I'm zeroing that. Oh, hell. Okay, yeah, there you go.
3, y'all. Yeah, out of Houston Lake. Turn up. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
We need to put some more water in that bit. Or put it in the live well. Crank it up. Crank it up down live below. What's going on there? Hey, matter of fact, just dump. Here, dump that. Here, watch out. Well, never mind. Store it in the fucking cooler. Well, no, that's enough juice. Just gotta make sure there's more water in there. But anyway, turn up. It's a beautiful fish.
Yes, sir.
So we
Finally got a little female. I wish we had some light.
got a female in here. This guy is definitely always the light man. Y'all see it? Okay, we got a nice little 3.3 pounder.
And
We got look, a couple little 1 pound males with a little crappie swimming around.
Crappie swimming in there.
So we are good to go for the pond for right now. Damon's over there, his arm's hurting him, so I had to do all the reeling today.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. He was the dude, good netter though. Your net job was off the chain.
I'm doing good on the net job. I can do that.
So anyway, so yeah, that's what we're doing for to add these to the pond. Yeah, flipping sticks, ripping lips, we're back.
Fuck yeah.
I'm just saying.
Never
House
left,
and Lake.
so we're back.
Never left, but check me out on TikTok, you know, Justin Christensen 1. That's what they gave me and that's what I'm sticking with. So anyway, I'll get back with you when we put the fish in the new pond.
Oh, yeah.
You know, do that John B shit and that what's his name? MFer.
MFer.
Trying to be like them. They're my idols, you know.
Yeah. Let's flip some more sticks.
Flip
Rip some more
sticks,
lips,
baby.
y'all.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Here we go. You good with the big one first?
Yep. Come on, girl. Oh, yeah. Good energy.
Woo.
Come on, big girl.
Oh, here's a new home.
Straight down to the ball.
Good.
Yep. Another couple. That's the other one was a nice one.
Here's another. Would you?
Grab another back.
Damn, it looks nice. I don't want to kill, like squeeze it. You know, I got.
You get another one.
That's a pretty fish, though. Huh. You good? You want to put your crappie in there?
Hey, go ahead and put all of them
God damn it. Yeah. Yeah, then a little.
Oh, one more crappie. One more dangling.
Damon's first crappie. Alright. Here we go. All the goldfish are probably gonna be gone after this. Alright. And we did it. Stocking ponds.
Hell yeah. There's one of the bass right there. A big girl. There's a big girl right there. I'm falling in the middle. I see her too.
Checking the scene out.
She's going on the side.
Look at the structure.
That structure.
Was there a fish around it? Around the structure? Wow, if we could just get rid of sirens.
Yeah.
Oh, one of my lights ain't working over there. That's aggravating. Pool pond transformation. I've been years of just leaving my pool with nothing, and now we're getting stocked. And today was definitely a good day at the lake.
Got a female in here.
Female got 3 males.
Couple crappie.
Got 3 crappie. All males probably.
No, that big one's a female.
Is it?
Yeah, that big
Oh, look,
girl's
look.
a female. That's
It's either a goldfish or a minnow.
a minnow right there.
I don't know, I put some little goldfish in there too. Yeah. Alright.
Alright.
Well, flipping sticks, ripping lips, y'all. Follow me. Like and subscribe. and wait for the new pond action, because soon coming waterfall and a fountain that I'm finna rig up. But let's get it. Gotta pay these speeding tickets off first though. You know, they caught me slipping. But anyway, pond transformation, let's go, let's get it. Flipping sticks, ripping, let's go, baby.